Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into a massive, fundamental revolution in how the entire world moves its goods. We're talking about a complete shift in artificial intelligence within global logistics. For years, AI has been this incredibly smart assistant just sitting on our digital shoulders, giving us advice. But right now, we are crossing a major threshold. AI is shifting from just giving advice to actually taking autonomous action. We're moving from an AI that just thinks to an AI that does.
Okay, let's dive into this. 3 million. That is the staggering number of shipping tasks that a single logistics company ran through AI agents in just the first quarter of last year alone. And here is the kicker. Not a single one of those tasks was some mere suggestion waiting for a human to click approve. No way. These were actual executions. Freight quoted, trucks booked, problems resolved entirely by software.
To really understand why this technology is taking over, you have to look at the chaotic reality of modern global supply chains. Unpredictable disruptions now account for up to 40% of total transit delays. Think about that. Whether it's sudden port congestion, a crazy localized weather event, or some geopolitical shift, the logistics world is just incredibly volatile. If you're relying on manual human intervention to solve every single hiccup across thousands of daily shipments, well, you simply cannot keep up.
Section 1. When predictions aren't enough.
So how exactly did the logistics industry's technology evolve to handle this massive global volatility? Because, let's face it, just knowing a delay is coming isn't really enough anymore. For decades, supply chain software only looked backward. In the 2000s, we had descriptive analytics, which essentially just told us, hey, what happened? Then, in the 2010s, we got diagnostic analytics asking, why did it happen? By 2020, we celebrated predictive AI, which finally looked forward to tell us what will happen. But here we are in 2026, and the whole paradigm has shifted to agentic AI. The system is no longer just warning you about the future, it's literally saying, I am actively fixing what is about to happen.
And this brilliantly illustrates the crucial aha difference. Traditional AI acts like a brilliant analyst. It predicts demand, flags that a supplier is going to be late, drafts a beautiful report, and then it just waits. It waits for a human to actually do something about it. Agentic AI, on the other hand, is a capable operator. When it sees a delay, it continuously adjusts the plan, autonomously reallocates the orders to a new carrier, executes the new booking, and loops that feedback right back into its system to learn. It's basically the difference between an alarm system that just rings and an alarm system that automatically calls the fire department and turns on the sprinklers.
Section 2. Enter agentic AI systems.
Now that we see the difference in philosophy, let's break down the actual mechanics. By definition, agentic AI refers to autonomous systems that can perceive, reason, plan, and act in real time across logistics workflows with minimal human intervention. The absolutely key takeaway here is that agentic AI links insight directly to execution. It doesn't just output a pretty dashboard for you to read. It actually outputs a resolved business problem.
Here is the logical loop of how these agents actually process the world. Step 1. Data inputs. The agent ingests millions of data points from warehouse sensors, weather feeds, traffic maps, the whole shebang. Step 2. Understanding and reasoning. It contextualizes all that data, recognizing that, say, a storm means a specific port is going to close. Step 3. Decision-making. It simulates multiple routing outcomes to find the absolute fastest, cheapest alternative. Step 4. Execution. It triggers APIs to actually reroute the truck and update the customer. And finally, Step 5. The feedback loop. It learns from the outcome to make a better decision next time. It's this beautiful, continuous, self-healing cycle.
Section 3. AI Agents in the Wild. C.H. Robinson.
Let's move from the abstract computer science stuff to a very tangible, real-world application. We're going to look at C.H. Robinson, a massive global logistics provider, and how they deployed AI agents to battle a notoriously frustrating industry headache, the missed LTL pickup. Now, LTL stands for less than truckload, meaning one truck is picking up freight from dozens of different shippers. Historically, if just one shipper's freight wasn't ready or the truck hit bad traffic, it created a massive domino effect. A single missed pickup cascaded into days of delayed freight for everyone else on the route, wasted truck capacity, and forced entire teams of people to spend half their day making phone calls just to manually track down what went wrong.
To solve this mess, C.H. Robinson didn't just deploy one simple algorithm. They deployed a fleet of over 30 specialized AI agents, and they handle an incredible workload. We're talking over 1.5 million LTL price quotes processed, real-time order booking, complex freight classifications, shipment tracking, proof of delivery, and proactive carrier matching. And what's really amazing is that these agents collaborate. Two AI agents working together can make 100 calls to carriers and make 100 routing decisions simultaneously in the exact same time it takes a human to dial a single phone number.
The efficiency gain here is almost hard to believe. By turning this problem over to their agentic AI network, C.H. Robinson automated a whopping 95% of the checks on missed LTL pickups. They almost entirely eliminated the manual, tedious process of humans chasing down bad information.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is what that 95% actually translates to in human terms. 350. That is the amount of human hours saved per day just by automating those missed pickup checks. Think about that. That's 350 hours a day where logistics professionals are no longer doing robotic data chasing and can instead focus on high-level strategy and real customer relationships.
And the financial and operational validation is undeniable. By allowing AI to execute decisions, they saw a 42% reduction in unnecessary return trips, meaning far fewer empty trucks just burning fuel out on the highway. They achieved a stunning 98.2% predictive ETA accuracy for arrivals. And as a direct result of this technological leverage, they reported an adjusted operating margin surging to 31.1%. This is software driving hard bottom-line profitability.
Section 4. The macro impact of agentic networks.
While C.H. Robinson is a fantastic case study, let's pull back and look at the macro impact. What happens when we apply this technology across the entire global supply chain? Well, according to data from McKinsey, the industry-wide metrics for early adopters of AI-enabled supply chains are absolutely transformational. We are looking at a 40% cut in transit delays, a 35% reduction in held inventory because companies no longer have to hoard safety stock just in case of an emergency, and an overall 15% drop in logistics costs. This proves that agentic AI isn't just a shiny new gimmick, it is a fundamental rewiring of how business operates for sure. And there's an incredible secondary benefit here too. When you optimize for speed and you optimize for cost, you inherently optimize for carbon reduction. AI-assisted route and load optimization has the potential to eliminate 47 million tons of CO2 annually across the global shipping industry. So agentic AI is actually turning out to be one of the most powerful sustainability tools we have right now.
Section 5. The autonomous logistics future.
As we look toward the horizon, it's clear we're entering the era of the autonomous logistics future. So the crucial point is this. The real value of AI lies not in automation alone, but in adaptive intelligence that evolves with every shipment, supplier, and customer interaction. These agentic systems aren't just replacing human clicks, they are creating self-healing networks. They manage the chaos, the volatility, and the millions of micro-decisions for us, constantly learning and adapting in real time.
Which leaves us with a fascinating, provocative question to end on. If AI agents are now the ones actively executing the plans, negotiating the rates, and solving the routing problems, what exactly is the new role of the human supply chain manager? As machines take over the execution, humans are going to have to pivot to strategy, ethics, and relationship building. It's a brave new world for logistics, and it's happening right now. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and keep your eyes on how these agents continue to evolve.